Hello, Jaden here. Well, it's probably been, I don't know, 3 years since I made a video, or maybe longer since I made a guitar or woodworking related video. But there's a lot to that. I'd sold the house and the workshop, and then the guy changed his mind like 2 weeks or a week before a week before the exchange, and I'd moved everything out and anticipated a new workshop and got all that organised, and then it didn't happen. So the workshop is slowly coming back together, although it's being shared with other things like bike restoration, gardening tools, and generally other hobbies, weightlifting equipment, etc. Which I obviously have that around just so that people think I work out. Obviously there is a few bits and bobs of guitar work going on, as you can see. But I'm not taking any orders at the moment, and I don't plan to. This is just a video for fun, really, as I decided to get back in the workshop and make something for fun, just to keep the hand skills going on and use the machinery before it rusts shut or something. And so I decided to start making this. Now this, yeah, I know it looks like a lump of wood. It's actually lots of lumps of wood at the moment. We've got a big lump of Sapele mahogany there, which I've jointed together, and I'm about to start working. Some rosewood and some flame maple. And what this is all going to be is a chessboard. A nice chessboard. It's going to be quite large, quite heavy, quite thick. I designed a chessboard years and years ago, about 20 years ago in fact, and a load of other gaming boards, because I like chess, cards, all sorts of other things like that. And originally it was going to be a 3D board where the armies or the pieces would attack, from a higher ground, and it goes down to the middle like a bowl. But that's now been done to death, and I was late to the party on that one, and that's my fault. So, having jointed this piece up, I'm now going to run it through the drum sander, get it nice and flat, ready for the CNC machine. Hopefully it'll turn out really nicely. Obviously we're going to have rosewood and flame maple coloured squares and all the other chessboard related good stuff. So let's get on with it. So there we go then. After not that much work, that thing cleans itself and it's pretty noisy. So after not too much work, I've got my nice piece of Sapele here, which is ready to be machined. And for the chessboard squares, some rosewood boards that I'll cut the squares out of, and the flame maple I'm going to clamp down and cut out of that. Okay, so that's it. Everything's sized up. Really, all I've got to do now is finish the CNC drawings, and then the next step is to get it on the CNC and start machining. And join me for that bit. See you later.